Alright guys, so I'm doing a review of this Organic Triscuit. Look at this. This was on sale at Costco actually. And as you can see, it's organic. I never tried it. So I'd had these when I was a kid, the original ones, but not organic version. So we're gonna open this up and do a quick taste test. So let's show you the ingredients. There it is right there. If you guys want to read that, pause the video. So it does contain wheat, so be aware of that. And let's open this up. So there's boxes within the box here, as you can see. And let's open this up now. Okay, so there it is. They look like regular Triscuits, but let's do a quick taste test. They taste like regular Triscuits. Maybe less salty. But yeah, definitely check it out. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.